Hello, my name is Charlie Grace with Charlie Grace Adventures, and I'm going to share with you an event that I got to go to that I think you might want to check out. It's the Midwest's largest Overland Expo. It's called MOORE Expo. Really neat. If you love camping, overlanding, learning all about the adventure lifestyle, this is a place where you want to go.
Okay, we're at MOORE. Where are we? What are we doing here?
MOORE Expo, the largest overlanding event in the Midwest, and campers are just coming in. We're getting everything set up, and in 2 days we are going to have the biggest party in the Midwest.
I'm so excited.
Let's do it.
Okay, so today is the VIP entrance. So if you buy an extra ticket for VIP camping, you get to come in a day early. Tomorrow, general admission camping. So I went setting up, and I got to go in here and come in with some friends, so which is really cool. But we are expecting some pretty bad weather tonight, so a lot of people are taking their awnings down and getting ready for that. We are under a tornado watch, of course. It's it's tornado season, and we'll see what happens. But this is all about making friends and finding your community, right? That's why we go to these events. So this is the 7th year that MOORE Expo has been around, and they had in Springfield, Missouri, which is a really cool place. It's also the home of the first Bass Pro Shop. We're going to talk about that at the end, which is really neat. Got to go a little side trip there and check it out. But it's a really neat fairgrounds expo center where there's lots of really cool camping. You can have plug-in camping and boondocking camping. I chose to boondock because I'm there with my adventure crew, all my awesome friends who brought their rigs. We went camping and hanging out. But this particular weekend was a little more interesting of sorts because when I got there, it was raining, and then we had storms, and then we had a tornado warning, and I think there was possibly hail. But you know what? It made it more exciting, and we have really great stories to tell. Let's take a look at this.
Yeah.
This is the most optimistic man I've seen all day because he's putting up an awning. We're expecting like gale force winds, tornado watch as we speak. Look at this lovely weather. So have you done this before, sir?
Oh yeah, this thing survived 40 mile an hour winds. As long as you put enough wires out and some walls up, make a nice windbreak, but we'll see what happens.
And you're not from Kansas, are you?
No.
Okay,
no,
so
no.
he wouldn't have any, okay.
No,
But
no,
he still thinks this is gonna work. We're gonna take some bets on this. We'll find out tomorrow morning.
I doubt.
Okay, do you like beans? Because I like beans, but he has a different kind of bean. What kind of bean do you have?
I have a black bean trailer from Green Trailer out of Utah.
Okay, so it's out of Utah. It doesn't look like, what are they known for? What is Bean Trailer known for?
One piece fiberglass, never gonna rain and get into your interior, no rust. They're very rugged.
Very rugged. I like this. Take a look at this. Okay, here's that bad storm that's coming in. Everybody's hunkering down. Looks pretty dark. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, this is I guess technically it's day 1. Yesterday was for VIP, so we'll call it day 1. And we're hanging out. We're gonna make some bacon. And we just woke up. As you can see, I got a shower, which is not too bad. Every person deserves a nice shower, right? But they do have showers here, and they have really good bathrooms. So that's another nice thing about coming here. So just so you know, they have facilities. And I've got a little friend here who apparently wants bacon too.
Yeah, I don't cook bacon.
Okay.
She doesn't cook, she said.
I cook. I just don't cook bacon.
You like the restaurant?
Okay, buddy. I think this is gonna be my new bacon buddy. What do you think? Here's my crew, adventure crew, hanging out. And then we got new neighbors over here, which is cool. We're on the concrete because it rained really bad yesterday. And we didn't want to be stuck in the mud. So we might move today. You never know. And I'm hanging out with my friends who have ambos. Oh, I miss Stan. Stan Ambling Adventures. He just passed away not too long ago. So Stan, I'm gonna dedicate this video to you, buddy. All right, this is before it all gets filled in. It's gonna get really, really busy today. So, yeah. Okay, it's happy hour time. It's 4 o'clock. Happy hour at the Happy Flag. Look at this. Okay, guys, I've got charcuterie. Oh yeah, look at that. We got some wine going on here. Cheers, we're ready to go. So day one, there's lots of events, workshops, and the vendors are open. And you got to go check out all the vendors. Let's take a look at some of these really cool vendors. I have to admit, I walked away and I bought some stuff. You know me, I love to shop too. So I got a really cool heated seat cushion. I love this thing. We're going to talk more about that later because I'm doing some product testing with it. You know me, I got to test it first. I also walked away with buying an onboard air compressor, which I'm going to have that installed and get that all done from Tire Minder. Really excited about that one. Of course, you got to get your hat and t-shirt. That's all the fun. You show off, woohoo, you're at the event, which is nice. And of course, just lots of other little things, which is fun. But there's so many cool items to get from different kinds of cooking utensils and ways of doing all sorts of camping and truck toppers and campers and vans. A lot of neat stuff. The workshops were fantastic, but the Midwest Women's Base Camp was where it's at. Lots of my friends were there. I got to learn a lot of cool things from other women, and that's really amazing. Why are we in a building?
Because we don't want to die.
Okay, well, that's a good answer. Okay, all right. Why are we in the building?
I don't want dimples all over my Jeep.
Okay, she has cute dimples. Okay, okay. Wait, why are we in a building?
Because we don't want our expensive vehicles beat up. And we hear it's coming, but we will see.
Okay, so there's a lot. It's dramatic. It's exciting. I mean, look how colorful we are together. Okay, so we're expecting some hail and some storms, and so a lot of us decided to come in under the. It's a big barn. It's a big barn. And we got lots of Mercedes Sprinters here. Look at these.
And a dirty Jeep.
And a dirty Jeep. And a dirty Jeep. But that's okay. Jeeps are supposed to be dirty, right?
Correct.
All right. Sometimes you got to go with the flow, and today going with the flow means being prepared for storms. So we're inside a building, and we're going to get ready. Tom's here. Oh gosh, here, look, he's parked right here. Yay! And we got a lot of people inside this big barn because you just never know. We've heard about ping pong sized hail, quarter sized hail. It's hail. So we're just protecting our rigs. After deciding to move into the barn, we had a little severe storm party, had some snacks, watched YouTube, and then we decided to escape and go down to the VIP party for some dinner, some awesome music, and have a great time. All right, please keep your arms and hands in the vehicle at all time. Our lovely driver is
Nick.
Nick. Sir Nick. We'll call him Sir Nick. We're going to the VIP section now. Here we go. The next day was super chilly, and people started moving out to go back to their original places and to also go check out more workshops and vendors. Okay, so how's your day been?
It's going.
Good. Okay, so what are we doing back here? Backseat driver.
What was that?
Backseat driver, how's your day going?
It's going good, you know? I feel like I barely slept, but we're doing good.
Yeah, me too. Okay. On the last night of the event, we all walked down to this really cool party and had a great time listening to live music and having fun libations. Cannot wait until next year.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
So they have really cool golf carts, but they also have this ambulance chauffeur service. And if you feel like you want to ride an ambulance, you find your friends with an ambo and you say, hey, can you give me a ride? And they're like, yeah, sure, no problem. And you say, but why are you driving around? And they'll tell you why. Why are we doing this?
To warm up the hot water heater.
To warm up the hot water heater, because you got to have the engine run to warm up the hot water. So there you go. And look at all these really cool buttons. Tell me, I don't want to push every button. I want to push every button. So many buttons. Oh my gosh, I love this. How many people can you fit in a trailer? I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget the dog. 4, 5.
I think there's room for more.
It's a tornado party, right? Tornado, rain party. We're all hanging
And you
inside.
could probably fit 10 on the bed.
This is what you do. This is what you do.
Community.
This is how you roll. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button and that bell to get notified. I put on really cool videos out on overlanding, van life, really neat adventures, and you're going to want to know about it first.